In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date field to a document on Docusign. Whether you're sending out contracts or agreements, adding a date field can be crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring all parties are on the same page about the timeline involved. Let's dive into this step-by-step process to make sure you can add a date field with ease. First, you'll need to head over to Docusign's website. It's at the forefront when it comes to electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Login button. It should be prominently displayed on the home page, typically in the upper right hand corner. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials and gain access to your account. If you don't have an account yet, there's usually an option to sign up, so make sure you explore that if necessary. Once logged in, navigate to the Docusign home. This is your control center, where you can manage and organize all your documents. The home screen will give you a lot of options, but what you're focusing on today is selecting a template. Templates are pre-saved document layouts that save you time, allowing you to quickly fill out and send documents that have repetitive fields and structures. Choose a template that's relevant to what you're working on. If you don't have any templates established yet, you may need to create one from scratch or use a basic template that you can customize later. After selecting your template, it's time to add details such as the recipients and any preliminary information you want included in the document. Pay close attention to ensure the details are correct because accuracy is paramount in finalized documents. Now that you've filled out the details, click on Next. This will take you to the page where you can edit and add additional fields to your document. In this section, you'll want to find standard fields, typically listed among your options on the left side of the screen. Click on it to reveal all the different types of fields you can add to your document. Among these standard fields, locate and select the date field. Drag and drop this field wherever you want the date to appear within your document. It's usually best practice to place it near a signature line, as this correlates with the date of signing and helps provide a clear timeline of when the agreement was accepted. Once you've positioned the date field where you want it, you may have the option to adjust the field settings to customize things like format and whether it should auto-populate. Make sure to save your document after making these changes to ensure everything is kept up to date in your system. And that's it, you've successfully added a date field to your document on Docusign. This enhancement will help track agreements more effectively and keep everyone involved informed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials if you found this one helpful.